Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by organizing every part so you won't pause mid-assembly. Place the base plate down, then orient the two handle halves so their hinge sockets face each other. Once aligned, insert the hinge pin through both sockets. You may need to tap gently with a rubber mallet while holding the pin steady. Make sure the die set is free of debris before sliding it into the jaws. This prevents misalignment and ensures a crisp impression when you test later. Next, you fit the male die into the upper jaw and the corresponding female die into the lower jaw, noting the alignment marks. Once positioned, tighten the set screws slowly, 1 to 2/4 turns at a time, and check the mating of dies after each adjustment. If the handles bind or leave a slight gap, add a thin shim behind the lower die or back off screws slightly. This balances pressure and gives a clean, full impression without overstressing the mechanism. To finish, you perform a controlled test strike on scrap paper to verify depth and clarity. If the impression is faint, make small, measured increases to the die tension and retest. Never over-tighten in one movement. If the image is skewed or incomplete, inspect the dies for dirt, confirm the hinge pin is fully seated, and recheck set screw balance. Once you get a crisp, centered impression, the embosser is ready. Store it upright to protect the dies and maintain alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.